I wanted to show you these treats that I received from the company. My dog is actually very excited about these. She is a pretty picky eater and also has a sensitive stomach, but I feel good about giving these to her. You could tell she's like super interested and is all about them. They're Himalayan dog chews. Look, she's right away. Like, she is picky. She doesn't just take anything. So I'm glad that she likes this one. It is hard, which is good for their teeth. It has 1 pound of cheese in it. So, I mean, for every 1 pound of cheese, they donate a book, which I think is really cool. So it is like an alternative for rawhide. If you don't want your dog having rawhide, this is like a really nice alternative. My dog loves cheese. It lasts pretty long. It's easy to digest. Again, that's something that I am concerned about for her. It doesn't have grains or gluten or any lactose in it, even though it is cheese. So that's interesting. Definitely happy with this brand. And I think that like, it's a nice, it also says that you could soak it in water after or heat it up and then cool it. So it's like you could do different things with it too. I wanted to be hard for her because I think that's good for their teeth. But I can also soften it if that's something you need to do. Really happy with this brand. I'm glad that they sent it to me.